How to enable or disable developer options in your Android phone. Just open up your settings app. After that, scroll all the way down. Go to about phone option. From here, scroll down. Go to software information. Here you can find build number option. Just tap on 7 times on build number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now just type your current pin or pattern. Then tap on continue. Then tap on OK. And it's done. You can see developer mode has been enabled. So just go back and then scroll down, and that's it. Now from here you can customize any kind of settings as you want. Also, if you want to disable it, just go back and then open it again and then turn off it from here. Now go back again and it's complete. You can see it's disabled now. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.